Hey guys, Cats from Out Roving. This video kicks off a multi-part series of my utes Canopy build. This Canopy is an 800mm half dog box and I'll be working on the enclosed side. So in this episode, it's going to be the initial fit out, which is the insulation, carpeting and drawer install. I'll be using a light grey automotive carpet that I got from eBay, framing timber for the false floor, plywood and foilboard. The first step is the drawer assembly. I've decided to go with the King 700mm drawer because it was the best fit for what I wanted. This is actually the new style of drawer, transitioning from the old Titan drawer style. Things I've noticed is it's way lighter and they're actually deeper. I haven't used it enough to comment on the overall robustness, but the runners seem to be decent quality and it's much more user friendly to assemble. Before cutting any of the foilboard, I'm going to take some measurements. I've gone with the foilboard because after some research, a lot of people have really good feedback for it and it's quite cheap. I'm using double-sided tape to stick them on. The only thing I wasn't certain about was the orientation. I've heard people using them either direction and it seems to work fine.
I'd rather know now, 'cause when you kissed me, you had your eyes open, and there's something that I need to know. If I looked at the door, would you even notice I'm gone? Would you even miss me at all? Would you? If I walked out the door, would you care enough to follow? Would you even miss me at all? Would you? Don't go wasting my time. I've played games enough to see through a lie, and I wonder how you talk about us. Do you light up when you start to speak? If I even cross your mind at all. When you kiss me, you had your eyes open, and there's something that I need to know. If I looked at the door, would you even notice I'm gone? Would you even miss me at all? Would you? If I walked out the door, would you care enough to follow? Would you even miss me at all? Would you?
So with the foilboards in, I do have to check in with the apprentice who's been on Smoko for a while now. He's not too keen to get back to work. To build the support for the false floor, I'm using structural timber. I'm cutting the pieces to size and fixing them together with timber screws. Instead of making one huge piece of ply for the floor, to save money, I'm gonna only put ply down around where the drawer is gonna go. Floor, I'm using 12mm, and for the sides, back and roof, I'm gonna use 7mm. I was a little short on ply, which explains the gap at the back, which you're going to see later, but I do end up bridging it using some other thinner material I had laying around. When I do the test fit at the end, I found I did have a little clearance issues, so I added 12mm pieces to the base of the drawer, which fixes that problem.
Put you in the worst mood, P1 cleaner than your church shoes, Millie point 2 just to hurt you, all red lamb just to tease you, none of these toys on lease to, made your whole year in a week too, main bitch out of your league too, side bitch out of your league too, house so empty need a centerpiece, 20 racks a table come from ebony, cut that ever into skinny pieces, then she clean up with her face, man I love my baby. Money need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch out my style, I take any lane. Switch out my core if I kill any pain. what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, yeah. Every day a nigga try to end me, yeah. Pull off in that roadster SV, yeah. Pockets overweight, getting hefty, yeah. Coming for the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the fall time.
With all the ply ready to go, it was time to start carpeting. The apprentice has finally come back and joined us as well. The adhesive I'm using is designed for artificial turf, but it's definitely worked real good with the carpet. I was a bit skeptical, but overall really happy with the results.
Switch on my side, I take any lane. I switch on my core if I kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga Brad Pitt, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Bought mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. I switch on my core if I kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star.
Time to throw it all in. It was tricky trying to film and do it all one-handed. If you notice the cable gland on the floor and the cable coming out the right hand side wall, that was done off camera in preparation for the 12 volt segment, which is going to be in the next episode. To fix the floor support down, I made some brackets with some aluminium angle I had laying around. On the brackets, I drilled holes over the existing holes I used to fix the canopy to the tray. I did also add some at the back, as you'll see.
Got it stroke after stroke, stroke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't listen what I'm told. They help me forget that this world is so cold. I don't even know what I'm chasing no more. Tell me what I want, just keep searching on. It's never enough, cup after cup, blunt after blunt. I wouldn't get one if I could find a far, in the car, and I put that on my mama. And my bitch call, talking about some drama. I swear there ain't no time for women on a coma. It's either pussy or the karma. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Push the gas, get a motherfucking nosebleed. She ain't never met a youngin' do it like me. She got a man, but she said she really like me. She doing things to excite me. She sending all her friends snaps on my new tracks. Cause all these hoes know what's about to come next. I hit my plug up, got the baby connect. I drop a couple bands, I just wanna go. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck. And I'm stone cold with the flex with my squad, and I'm smoking up a check. Knowing all of this shit just don't make a difference. I'm just talking shit.
With everything together, that's pretty much the end of part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and more importantly, hope you got some ideas for your Canopy build. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next episode for part 2.